Now if you look at this question, it's told in the problem that mod x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 less than 1. So I can say mod x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 is less than 0, correct or not? Now case number 1, when x is less than 1, when x becomes less than 1, mod of x plus 1, mod of x minus 1, right here this is x minus 1, mod of x minus 1 will act like minus of x minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus x, right, when x is less than 1, because mod will not take negative values, right, mod will take only positive values. So I can say 1 minus x divided by x plus 2 minus 1 is less than 0, 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 is less than 0. So minus 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is less than 0, correct? So I can say that 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 should be greater than 0. When you multiply both sides by a negative sign, the sign of the inequality will reverse. So if you can see here, this value x, see now 2x plus 1 should be greater than 0, or x plus 2 should be here, 2x plus 1 should be greater than 0 and x plus 1 should be greater than 0, like this. For this inequality to hold good, see either both terms should be positive, or see this should be like this, and this is like this, and x should not become equal to minus 2, or it should be like this, 2x plus 1 should be less than 0 and x minus 2 and x plus 2 should be less than 0 and x should not become equal to minus 2, right or not? But it's told in the problem here that x is less than 1, right? But x is less than 1. So we may write, using this interval we can write the answer will lie from minus half to infinity union, where is it? X is less than minus 2, minus infinity to minus 2, correct or not? But x is less than 1, so this implies to me that minus infinity to minus 2 union, what is it? Minus half to 1. This is where x belongs to. In the case number 1. All right. Now similarly, if you consider case number 2, when x is greater than 1, is it okay? When x is greater than 1, what will happen? Mod of x minus 1 will be equal to x minus 1. So can you tell me here, x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 should be less than 0, correct? So x minus 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 should be less than 0. So minus 3 divided by x plus 2 should be less than 0. When you multiply both the sides of the inequality by a negative sign, 3 divided by x plus 2 should be greater than 0. So I can say x plus 2 should be greater than 0, x should be greater than minus 2. Which means x value will belong from minus 2 to infinity, correct or not? X value will belong from minus 2 to infinity, but here it's told in the problem that x is greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, correct or not? But x is greater than or equal to 1 is the condition what we have taken in the problem. So therefore this implies to me that x belongs to where to where? X belongs to like this, see, minus 2 to infinity, but x is greater than or equal to 1, right? So it is like this, 1 to infinity. So this is equation number 1 or the case number 1 where x belongs to, and this is the case number 2 where x belongs to, right? So what you do, you club both. From 1 and 2, I can say that x belongs to, you can see the options now. From 1 and 2, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2, correct? Minus infinity to minus 2 union like this, 1 to infinity. This is the answer to the question. Correct or not? So union minus 1 to 1 was there. Now this is what? From 1 to infinity. So this part and this part put together will give you the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number A, correct. A is the answer to the question. Minus infinity to minus 2, right? Minus infinity to minus 2 here, students. Minus infinity to minus 2. Union minus half to infinity. If you can see the collective interval, union minus half to infinity. So this is the common domain, what you have to take here. Common domain, when you take, what is the answer that we get now here? Minus half to infinity will be the answer to the question. Because this interval is contained inside this interval, so answer will be this itself. Answer is option number A to the question.